Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet chili chicken. It looks like a serious Chinese Japanese food, but it's very easy and quick to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this sweet chili chicken, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, some salt and pepper, about 6 tablespoons potato starch or cornstarch, 4 tablespoons sake. For the sweet chili sauce, 4 tablespoons each of rice vinegar, sugar, ketchup and sake, 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch, half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon Chinese spicy bean paste. Let's prepare the chicken first. Remove the skin. And trim all the fat. And let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. Like this. Same for the other one. Let's put it in the bowl here. Put some salt and pepper, about 1 teaspoon. 4 tablespoons of sake. And rub it well. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Heat up generous amount of vegetable oil in the frying pan. What I'm doing here is somewhere between pan frying and deep frying, so you need generous amount of oil. Let's put the chicken as you dust them with the potato starch. All in. Let's cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown. The heat is medium high. It's nicely brown, so let's take them out. I'm now making the sweet chili sauce, so let's clean the frying pan with kitchen paper. The heat is off. Let's put 2 tablespoons of water and everything for the sauce into the frying pan. 2 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons sake, 4 tablespoons vinegar, 4 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoons ketchup, half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon Chinese spicy bean paste, depending on how spicy you want to make it. 1 tablespoon potato starch, and mix it well before you turn the heat on. No lumpy starch left. Turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat until it becomes thick and glossy as you constantly mix it. Nice and glossy. Let's turn the heat off and put the chicken back into the frying pan. Mix with the sauce. So that every chicken is coated with the sauce. Serve it on the plate. Some sesame seeds, and sliced green onion if you like, and sweet chili chicken is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The chicken is still nice and crispy on the outside, and the sauce is not too spicy, not too sweet. It's well balanced and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Sweet chili chicken is the main dish, so it goes here. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any miso soup you like here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, I think I want to have something green, so let's have broccoli gomae. I hope you enjoyed the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!